had someone 2 years ago, a girl, like she'd go too fast and it derailed, like around the corner up here.
Yeah, but if they don't make it up the hill.
Yeah.
Hey, I got one! What? Somebody's Why can't you push the guys from, what was it, hospital? Yeah, the push the Look at the yucky water.
They used to have boats out here. Do you paddle?
Really little paddle boats? What happened to those?
I don't know.
They got rid of them.
They took it out.
Where was the entrance for that?
Up there.
Over.
Right above us.
Oh, okay.
Oh, above us?
They do this at Liberty Park
Say,
too.
where is the entrance to the paddle boats? It's just past the tunnel.
Oh, okay.
Like they're above.
I don't know.
It's a goose. It's a duck and a goose. Yeah, there's a goose. They were here crossbreeding. Oh, she moved it over here. Like, hey, wait, there's a peacock. There's a peacock. Samantha! Hey! Oh, I miss Kitty.
Yeah, it's right there. I am.
What's this one?
I'm sorry, I didn't see it move its mouth. Oh my god.
Why they have a white tiger? No way.
Hi, Tiger.
I didn't like that.
Okay, I saw that one move its mouth.
Miniature donkeys.
Somebody must have cut their legs off when they were little.
They're miniature asses.
Look, mini asses.
Yeah, donkeys.
See, look, I told you they bite their legs off. Did you see that one? Try to bite his legs off.
Hey, Tracy, I found your
Oh, look over
family.
here.
Really? I haven't seen the asses yet. I'll tell you when I see yours.
Javelinas?
Oh, they moved.
There they are against the fence.
Oh, I don't see them, but I smell them.
He's going to have a nice reaction.
Watch out, he'll spit on you.
Yeah, I'll spit on him.
See, look at how his hump is like arched over.
Yeah, I'll spit back.
Is that its hair?
Look at the babies. Look how cute.
Oh, look over here.
Maybe what? Oh, right there, yeah.
Oh,
What do we got here?
Oh, I see
Canadian
it.
lynx.
Canadian lynx.
I don't see it.
Neither do I.
I don't like this stuff. I'm gonna throw up.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Just breathe through your mouth.
Golden eagle.
I'm sick, and then I'll start coughing. I'm sick.
It's under the water. It's not last time. Maybe it wasn't a fruit light. Oh, I know, there's two females.
Whoa, turn it up. You got strong legs that can keep you in the bug.
Yeah. What was that on? I think it was on like Family Guy where he climbs inside of the kangaroo's pouch or whatever.
I think it was on Family Guy. It sounds like Family Guy.
Like Stewie.
Well, look at that person.
No, but it was
Wasn't Stewie?
what's his name? The dad? What's his name? Yeah, Peter. He like climbed inside and it was like
I want to dye my hair like that.
No! I would kill you.
I want to do it now. I'm gonna pay $65 to get my hair dyed like that. Cause then it'll be professional
Have you seen
again.
Baby Mama?
Yeah.
I'll put you in the shower like that. When she puts you in the shower, they're not toxic! I'm just dyeing my hair! You know what? I wish it was ours. There's a lot cooler people. It was a crazy F-Zero.
so look at how they're like swinging.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. Never stop when I ride it.
I think my favorite part of
Well, that thing
Family
really
Guy
starts moving, doesn't it?
episode when she goes, I don't like change. His dad brings builds his own bar or something.
Oh yeah.
Takes up half the wall. And he goes, I don't like change.